Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and we have a special unboxing. I know you guys probably saw a million of them already, but this is the Team Pixel unboxing of your Google Pixel 5. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so I do have the Team Pixel edition, the special edition. This is only for exclusive creators and a bunch of different influencers, and that's just the way it goes. They did actually send this out to me, so you guys will experience what I experienced when I first unboxed it. So here's the actual card that they send me. Do have the Google colors here on the inside. Basically, it's telling me, hi, we're excited to introduce to some of the latest and greatest from Google. Our mission is to build a more helpful Google for everyone. So you guys can pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. We hope you share your experience and everything like this. Now, just want to put this out there. We do not have to make any type of videos of this. They actually send it to us, and we do what we want to do with the device, and that's how it goes. But I do make YouTube videos, so I'm going to do the unboxing. Alright, so let's just pop this baby out. And as you guys can see, it gave us a nice little bundle here. So we have the Pixel 5 5G right there on the left. We got the Pixel Buds that I always wanted to try. I'm so glad that I waited out. And we have the official Google Pixel 5 case. Not sure, will I make a separate video of the case? I'm not entirely sure, but let's just pop out the phone for right now. Here's the phone itself, right there. The Pixel 5 is in the building. This does have a 6-inch 1080p OLED display, 432 on the PPI, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and a Snapdragon 765G processor. This has 8 GB of RAM, and as far as the battery, let's see what the battery is. The battery's not showing on here, but you guys let me know down in the comments. It does have an Adreno 620 for the GPU, and it does have a 19 by 5 by 9 aspect ratio. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. I do have the sort of sage color right here. Big shout out to Sage Tech. In the back you have Team Pixel. So if you guys are with Team Pixel, or if you guys have a Pixel, you guys are a part of Team Pixel. So if you guys want to unbox this, you just have to pull on the tab like so. Alright, and I do have my Pixel 4 XL here and ready for comparison if you guys are waiting for that. Alright, so let's just pop this baby out. Alright, so let's just pop this baby out. There you go. Nothing on the inside. Put that to the side. Here's the phone itself, guys. I'm in love with this color because it's different. It's not white, it's not black. I would have loved the red Pixel, no lie, especially since they have red on their logo, which is kind of like the dominant color, but oops. Alright, put that to the side. Let's take the phone out. Alright, let's go straight for the phone. Let's take off the plastic. Just one on the front. That's all you get. Now, the size does have a nice little texture here. Definitely like a matte texture, so you can't really see fingerprints that well. Let's see if you're able to see it. Nope. Do have a little bit of dirt on the camera here. So this does have a wide angle camera, guys, so pretty much for the first time. I do remember with the Pixel 3, it did have the wide angle on the front, but this time they actually have it on the back, and I'm very interested to see exactly what this could do. But here's the phone itself. You have a nice little glossy power button right there. Looks pretty nice. Definitely like that. The phone is a little bit smaller than the Pixel 4 XL. Let me bring out the Pixel 4 XL real fast. Oh, you know what? Let's put this to the side. Let's look at the Pixel 4a, the regular 4a. Pop this back out. Alright, so here's the Pixel 4a. If you guys are curious, they're very similar in stature. Very similar, guys. See that right there? Very similar. See the thickness? Looks like the Pixel 5 is a little bit thicker. And this color is the same color as the Sage. And nobody knew that. That's the side. Alright, so let's get out the Pixel 4 XL. So I know that this is just the unboxing, but I know you guys are probably curious. A huge difference here between the 4 XL and the Pixel 5. I'm very curious to see, will they bring a 5 XL? Very curious, guys. So let's just put that to the side. So let's see what we got in the box so we can finish the unboxing here. So you have a C to Type-C cable here. You have a fast charging brick, and you do have your data transfer Type-C adapter, so you could transfer from an iPhone or from an Android device. All right, let's look at this here. And you have your SIM ejection tool and your user guide and probably your warranty guide as well, just like so. So if you guys are curious to see what this looks like, I do have a Pixel 2 XL, but I left it in my car. Just bad luck here. But you guys let me know what you guys think so far. My personal opinion is that it's a little bit smaller than what I would love it to be. But let's check out the camera hump. So this is pretty much more flush than the Pixel 4 XL. So the 4 XL was not as flush as this. Let's see if we could try to get in there because it's trying to focus on the other one. There you go. A little bit more flush. It does feel like the Pixel 4a, but it does have a nice little texture here, so it does have a little bit of grip. I'm curious to see, will the cases fit from the Pixel 5 on the Pixel 4a? I mean, the Pixel 4a cases on the Pixel 5, so it does fit. It does match up the ports, but it doesn't match up the top because it has no headphone jack. But volumes and button actually feel the same. But the camera setup is not really that great, but it'll do temporarily. So I will do a separate video for the official case, and let's just power this baby on and I'll let you guys know. So if you guys want the full spec rundown, I will have that link down below, but this is just the unboxing. So I will definitely let you guys know an example of my first impressions coming up really soon, so just stay tuned for that. Do not go anywhere, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you guys are watching this video because you're watching a fold, I do have some fold videos actually coming down the pipe as well. So if you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up or a thumbs down, really doesn't matter. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Google Pixel 5 5G and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. All done. Let's rock out, baby. Team Pixel. There's the animation, by the way. Nice.